Hello crafty friends! It is time for another SheetLoad rewind. I hope you'll stick around to see what month we're revisiting and find out how you can download the free printable while it's out of the vault. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, some of my creative team members and myself revisit a past sheetload of cards for the SheetLoad Rewind series. Sometimes we might update these, other times we just make a new set in case it's your first introduction to the printable. Once you're done with my video, I know that you're going to want to see what everyone else created this month. So to do that, you'll want to check out the playlist, which is linked toward the top of the description box below, and I will have as an end card at the end of this video. I know that every one of them would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love. And when I say leave them some love, that means give their video a thumbs up, leave them a comment and tell them what you loved about their cards, and subscribe if you're not already. This month, we will all be rewinding back to the February 2023 Sheetload of Cards printable. This originally showed you how to make 8 cards with 4 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper and some cardstock. Now, I am showing you quickly up on screen some of the process I used for my set today, but make sure if you have not yet checked out the original debut and the original process video that you look down in the description box below for those links. In that original process video, I'm going to give you all kinds of great tips on how to put your set together using the March 2023 printable. Speaking of this printable, if you're newer to my channel and don't already have it downloaded, good news, even though this edition is currently in the vault, it will be coming out for 1 month for all subscribers to download. Now don't forget, if you are a channel member, you have ongoing access to all Sheetload of Cards files. If you do want this printable, make sure to keep watching and I will tell you how to download it for free. For my set of cards today, I am switching it up just a little bit from the original printable. Instead of making 8 cards, I will be making 6. I chose 3 double-sided 6x6 pattern papers instead of the 4 single-sided that the printable originally calls for. I made sure to pick pattern papers where I liked how the front and back of each sheet went together. This is a great way to change up the look of your cards if you don't necessarily like them all looking the same, and it gives you a chance to use some of those B-sides that might have been hidden if you only chose the fronts. Another thing that I changed on my cards is that I did not cut the CSB piece. This was originally a skinny strip of cardstock that would cover up the area between the pattern papers. So in case you didn't get everything perfectly aligned or everything wasn't straight across, it kind of covered up any deficiencies there. But I decided instead of using that piece that I was going to try to cover it up with my focal point, which for me that will be a sentiment, and you'll see me work on those here in just a few seconds. When I was choosing my sentiment for today's cards, I made sure that it did come with a coordinating die and that it would be large enough to cover up where the pattern papers, where those little spaces are between it. This way, if there is any variation and if everything's straight across or it's not completely even, this helps kind of pull your eyes away from that. Another thing I could have done was just stamp my sentiment in that open area between all of the pattern papers, but I thought having the sentiment popped up a little bit added a little extra interest and some dimension. If you are going to rewind back to the March 2023 edition with us, let me know in the comment section below some ways you might make this Sheetload your own or what theme you might be going for your set. Now, if you would like to make your own Sheetload of cards following these instructions, but you don't yet have the free printable, let me tell you how you can grab it while it's out of the vault. As always, I do ask that you're subscribed to my channel before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where that's at here in just a minute. Subscribing is free, quick, and easy. I don't make you send me any proof, we just go on the honor system here. So please make sure that you have clicked on the subscribe button before you click on the download link. This might be a good time to check and make sure that you are still subscribed to my channel, and while you're doing that, why don't you turn on the bell for all notifications so you're the first to know when I upload new videos. You will find the link to the March 2023 sheetload of cards down in the description box below, right below my P.O. Box address. Below the link, it will say to watch the video for a password, but you watching and listening to my entire video is your password. You can download the file to your device, open it and print it, or you can download it to your device, open it and just use it on screen. That is up to you. This sheet load will be out of the vault for all subscribers for 1 month from today, so until April 20th, 2026. Now, if you happen to be seeing this video later and you don't yet have the printable, become a member for a month. It starts as low as $1.99 and comes with lots of perks. I hope you enjoyed seeing the set of cards I made while I revisited the March 2023 sheetload of cards. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now, if you do have any questions on what you saw in today's video, make sure to leave those down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. But now I'm going to remind you and ask you once again that after you're finished with my video, please hop along to see what everyone else has created. Again, the link to the playlist, which is your one-stop shop for all of the videos, is in the description box below and as an end card here in just a minute. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.